The cashless system for the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, or JUTC's rural school buses, becomes effective today, February 2. Our reporter, Marlon Samuels, has more on how this is transforming student transportation across rural Jamaica.
The JUTC is revolutionizing student transportation with a new cashless system that prioritizes safety, convenience, and affordability for students across Jamaica.
Now, why are we going cashless? One, we want you to access our safety feature, which one of it is that when you board onto the bus and you tap your student transportation card, it alerts your parents that you boarded the bus, and when you top off, it alerts your parents that you exited the bus.
In rural Jamaica, the JUTC's Rural Bus Transportation Card is a part of the national effort to modernize student transit. The cashless system is not just about convenience. It's a vital step in protecting our children and giving parents peace of mind.
The tap-in, tap-out system provides real-time notifications to parents every time their child gets on or off the bus. With GPS tracking, onboard cameras, and driver monitoring, every journey is safer. Using the card also means substantial savings.
You know, in rural Jamaica, you have, for example, some part in Portland is really far. So you take a taxi from your house to one area, and then from one area to the bus park, and then from the bus park or the taxi to your school.
Yes.
That can run you up to $1,200 to $1,500. Now imagine if you have more than one. Right.
Yeah.
And it's just $50 with the rural school bus.
Registering is simple, even for those who aren't tech savvy.
Our drivers across all 7 regions, they also have hard copy. So you could collect a hard copy from your driver, take it to your parents, let them fill it out, and then just take it back to the school.
Already, 8,000 students have signed up. The JUTC is encouraging more to do so as it ensures safe, reliable transportation for students. The process is simple.
Step 1, register for your student transportation card. You can do this by going on the JUTC website, which is www.jutc.gov.jm, or you could go on our Instagram page, which is JUTCLTD. Click the link in our bio, and it takes you straight to the registration platform.
The transportation cards can be topped up at all Bill Express locations.
The app is coming soon where you can also top up on the app. You can also get notifications with the tap on, tap off of your kid. But that is coming soon, and we'll be back to talk more about that. But top ups, I know I've been getting a lot of questions about where can we top up. You can top up at any Bill Express.
With the new cashless system, the JUTC is setting a high standard for safe, reliable, and modern student transportation across Jamaica. It's a safer journey for our children and a smarter way to travel. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.